Man, Jemima,
and also by my left.
Rejoice, Ife, Emeka.
Can you greet your friends from Sandpiper School?
Hi guys!
Alright, in the last video, we talked about the effect of plastic pollution on our school environment, just as you have done in your video. But today, we're talking about the effect of plastic pollution on the environment at large. Humans negatively impact the environment in many ways. Pollutants from industries are either dumped into the waterways or pumped into the air. The forest is rendered desolate as a result of our need for wood, and fossil fuel burning resulting in global warming, just to mention a few. However, our major focus on this discussion is on plastic and its negative impact on the environment. Now, Juan, can you help us to talk more on plastic?
Plastic is a polymer obtained from hydrocarbons. It has many adaptable applications, hence it is no surprise it is one of the greatest pollutants on earth. The reason for this is that most of the plastics do not decay naturally. They are non-biodegradable, and if they do not decay naturally, they cause a lot of problems for the waste disposal agencies and for the environment at large.
Thank you, Joanne. Now, Rejoice, can we please hear your opinion on the effects of plastic on life?
Thank you, Joshua. Since its invention in 1907, plastics have been a major problem to the environment because people find it hard to get rid of them and result in dangerous ways of disposing them. For example, people at one time felt that burning plastic was a good way to get rid of plastic, but soon we realized that burning plastic causes the release of harmful gases like carbon dioxide, hydrogen fluoride, oxides, and many other substances that are carcinogenic in nature, meaning that it can result in cancer when absorbed into the human body.
Thank you, Rejoice. Now, Emeka, can you please help us shed more light on the effect of plastic pollution on water?
Thank you, Johnson. Other chemicals like polystyrene, which is used in plastic production, can seep into water bodies like rivers and oceans and end up accumulating in fishes and other aquatic animals, in which man end up consuming as food. And this leads to the indirect consumption of such poison. This poison can cause cancer, birth defects, infertility, and so on. Also, fishes are known to consume plastic in form of microplastic, which are moving around the water bodies like seas and oceans, and these are quite harmful to man.
Thank you, Emeka. Ife, please can you help us to talk more on
Dumping plastic on land can lead to a lot of negative effects on the surrounding environment. For example, plastic which contain chlorine can release chlorine which seep into the surrounding soil, and this will contaminate the soil. It can also seep into any surrounding water body and rendering such water dangerous for human and animal consumption. Also, plastic usually end up taking its owner and thereby render those land are useless for other purpose.
Thank you, Ife. Jemima, what's your conclusion about all this?
This is not to say we should stop trying to help the environment. The better idea is to learn from our past mistakes to avoid repeating them. The trick is to remove our human biases as much as possible when determining what is good or bad for the natural world. Thank you.
Thank you, Jemima. Your conclusion has brought me to this question to everyone at Sandpiper School. And the question is this: how can we get rid of plastics without causing any harm to the environment? Thank you and see you next time.